kickstart 2012 Seniors Week. Just to start it off, can I please invite our Guru, Sri Gnanasatyendra Swami, to light our lamp. Big round of applause. Now we'll have a group dance by the students of Meenakshi's dance group to Sunita Rao's Pari Hoon Man.
आईने तो आई नजर कैसा इंतजार है, कैसा इंतजार है, कोई तो ऐसा हो सांसों को मेरी महका जाए। आईना तो आई नजर के अंदर एक जहां से, लाई में तो लाई बाहर के अफसाने भी वहां से। ना मुझे छूना ना दूर ही रहना, परी हूँ मैं, परी हूँ मैं, मुझे ना छूना, परी हूँ मैं।
Please welcome Mr. Anish. He's going to be singing Raat Kali Ik Khab Mein Aayi. Thank you.
रात कली एक ख्वाब में आई और गले का हार हुई। रात कली एक ख्वाब में आई और गले का हार हुई। सुबह को जब हम नींद से जागे आँख उन्हीं से चार हुई। रात कली एक ख्वाब में आई और गले का हार हुई। चाहे कहो इसे मेरी मोहब्बत, चाहे हंसी में उड़ा दो। ये क्या हुआ मुझको खबर नहीं, हो सके तुम ही बता दो। चाहे कहो इसे मेरी मोहब्बत, चाहे हंसी में उड़ा दो। ये क्या हुआ मुझको खबर नहीं, हो सके तुम ही बता दो। तुमने कदम तो रखा ज़मीं पर, सीने में क्यों छनकार हुई। रात कली एक ख्वाब में आई और गले का हार हुई। आँखों में काजल और लटों में काली घटा का बसेरा। सावली सूरत मोहनी मूरत, सावन रुत का सवेरा। आँखों में काजल और लटों में काली घटा का बसेरा। सावली सूरत मोहनी मूरत, सावन रुत का सवेरा। जब से ये मुखड़ा दिल में खिला है, दुनिया मेरी गुलजार हुई। रात कली एक ख्वाब में आई और गले का हार हुई। यूं तो हसीनों के महाजबीनों के होते हैं रोज नजारे, पर उन्हें देख के देखा है जब तुम्हें तुम लगे और भी प्यारे। यूं तो हसीनों के महाजबीनों के होते हैं रोज नजारे, पर उन्हें देख के देखा है जब तुम्हें तुम लगे और भी प्यारे। बाहों में ले लूं ऐसी तमन्ना एक नहीं 100 बार हुई, रात कली एक ख्वाब में आई और गले का हार हुई। रात कली एक ख्वाब में आई और गले का हार हुई। और गले का हार हुई।
Next, we have some of you performing for us, don't we?
This is something very different.
Very different indeed. And who's going to be on stage?
Who's this day all about? Who's this day all for? Can't hear anyone. Seniors, yes, we're going to have performance from the seniors.
First up, we have a performance by Mrs. Bhagavati Saumya. She'll be reciting a Hindi religious bhajan. Can I get Mrs. Bhagavati Saumya to come onto the stage, please?
Achyutam Kesavam Krishna Damodaram Vamanarayanam Janaki Vallabham. Achyutam Kesavam Krishna Damodaram Vamanarayanam Janaki Vallabham. कौन कहते भगवान आते नहीं, कौन कहते भगवान आते नहीं, आए मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। कौन कहते भगवान आते नहीं, बाय मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम वामनारायणम जानकी वल्लभम। कौन कहते भगवान खाते नहीं, कौन कहते भगवान खाते नहीं, बाय सबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम। कौन कहते भगवान सोते नहीं, कौन कहते भगवान सोते नहीं, माता जसोदा जी जैसे सुलाते नहीं। कौन कहते भगवान सोते नहीं, माता जसोदा जी जैसे सुलाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम। कौन कहते भगवान नाचते नहीं, कौन कहते भगवान नाचते नहीं, तुम गोपियों के जैसे नचाते नहीं, तुम गोपियों के जैसे नचाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम। Thank you. Sorry.
Up next, we have another performance by our Chester Hill Center. They'll be performing a group song called Ichak Dana Bichak Dana from the old Hindi movie 420.
दाना बीचक दाना दाने ऊपर दाना इचक दाना बीचक दाना दाने ऊपर दाना इचक दाना छज्जे ऊपर लड़की नाचे लड़का है दीवाना इचक दाना छज्जे ऊपर लड़की नाचे लड़का है दीवाना इचक दाना बोलो क्या अनार इचक दाना बीचक दाना दाने ऊपर दाना इचक दाना दाने ऊपर दाना इचक दाना जानवर ऐसा जिसकी दुम पर पैसा एक जानवर ऐसा जिसकी दुम पर पैसा सर पे भी ताज है बादशाह के जैसा सर पे भी ताज है बादशाह के जैसा बादल देखे छम छम नाचे अलबेला मस्ताना इचक दाना बादल देखे छम छम नाचे अलबेला मस्ताना इचक दाना बोलो क्या इचक दाना बीचक दाना दाने ऊपर दाना इचक दाना इचक दाना बीचक दाना दाने ऊपर दाना इचक दाना हरी मन भरी थी लाख मोती जड़ी थी हरी थी मन भरी थी लाख मोती जड़ी थी राजा जी के बाग में दुशाला ओढ़े खड़ी थी राजा जी के बाग में दुशाला ओढ़े खड़ी थी कच्चे पक्के बाल है उसके मुखड़ा है सुहाना इचक दाना कच्चे पक्के बाल है उसके मुखड़ा है सुहाना इचक दाना बोलो क्या भुट्टा इचक दाना बीचक दाना दाने ऊपर दाना इचक दाना बीचक दाना दाने ऊपर दाना इचक दाना छोटी सी छोकरी लाल बाई नाम है छोटी सी छोकरी लाल बाई नाम है पहने वो घाघरा एक पैसा दाम है पहने वो घाघरा एक पैसा दाम है मुंह में सबके आग लगाए आता है रुलाना इचक दाना मुंह में सबके आग लगाए आता है रुलाना इचक दाना बोलो क्या इचक दाना बीचक दाना दाने ऊपर दाना इचक दाना बीचक दाना दाने ऊपर दाना इचक दाना चले ना वो चल कर दिल में ना समाया चले ना वो चल कर दिल में ना समाया आ ही गया वो किया है सफाया आ ही गया वो किया है सफाया तुम भी देखो बचकर रहना, चक्कर में ना आना, इचकदाना। तुम भी देखो बचकर रहना, चक्कर में ना आना, इचकदाना। इचकदाना बीचकदाना, दाने ऊपर दाना, इचकदाना। छज्जे ऊपर लड़की नाचे, लड़का है दीवाना, इचकदाना। इचक ऊपर लड़की नाचे, लड़का है दीवाना, इचकदाना। इचकदाना बीचकदाना, दाने ऊपर दाना, इचकदाना। इचकदाना बीचकदाना, दाने ऊपर दाना, इचकदाना। इचकदाना बीचकदाना, दाने ऊपर दाना, इचकदाना।
Just before we bring our seniors back on, we now have Aruna Iyengar's students to perform a Kuchipudi dance. We'll present you 2 items in Kuchipudi style of classical Indian dance.
The first item the dancers will present is Jati Swaram. This is a fast-paced item of pure dance, presenting the speed and unique aspects of Kuchipudi. It was choreographed by Guru Vempati Chinnasatyam. It is in Raga Atana and is set to Aditalam. Please welcome them.
Dimita, talang, dimita, diginatum, ditta, dimita, Ditaka talang ditaka dimitaka diginatum ditta dimita dimita kitaka ditta dimita kitaka ditta dimita kitaka tadigina tagana tatita jam tari jam dadum dagana tari jam tari dada jam tari dadana jam tadum tari dada jam tari dadana jam dada tari dam dana tari dinata jam dadum dagana tari jam tari jam dadum dagana tari jam tari jam dadum dagana tari jam tari jam tari dadana jam dada bulari dada jam tari dadana jam dada tari dam dana tari dinata తరిత్త జను తద్దిత్త తలంతో దరిగితో తగదిత్త రిత్త జను తగదిత్తై తలంతో దరిగితో తద్దిత్త రిత్త జడుదా తగదిత్త రిత్త జడుతే తద్దిత్త రిత్త జడు తగదిత్త రిత్త జడు తరిత్త జడు తరిత్త జడు తదింగిన తగదరింగిన తగదిగు తదింగిన తదాబా దని దని బదా బదా బమ పదని దని బదా పదని దని గమరి దని రి దని బదని బదమ పరి మగ తపమత బదని కమరి దని రి దని దగి దగి దిన తదా బమ పదని దని బదా బదా బమ పదని దని బదా బదా బమ పదని దని బదా పదని దని గమరి దని రి దని బదని బదమ పరి మగ రి దమ రి తమరి దని రి దని దగి దగి దిన తదా జయం జగన్నాం సజీతా జయం జగన్నాం సజీతా తద్దిత్తం హత జంతరిత తిత్తం హత జంతరిత జంతరిత జగదరిత జన జన గుందరిత గుందరి గిట తగ తత్త దింగ్ తగతం హత జం తరి తదింగ్ తగతం హత జం తరి తజ్జను తజడు తగ జను తజను తదిన్ తరిగిట తదిన్ తరిగిట తదిన్ తరిగిట తని బదా బదా బమరే తని బదా బదా బమరే మపమాద తరి తజన దమ పరి మపమ తబమరి తగన జగన తబతని రిద జగదినా పరి తని ధరి ధని బదాంగన తరి మపమద తరి ధన తరి ధమరి ధమరి గుందరి ధని ధరి ధమరి తరి దదిగిన దదిగిన తరి దదిగిన తని బదా బదా బమరి తని బదా బదా బమరి తని బదా బదా బమరి మపమద తరి తన తమ పరి మపమద బమరి జగన జగన దబకని రిద జగదినా తరి దదని తని బదాంగన తరి మపమద పతరి ధన దరి ధమరి తమరి గుందరి ధని ధరి ధమరి తరి దదిగిన తరి దదిగిన తరి దదిగిన తరి జయం జగన్నాం సజీతా జయం జగన్నాం సజీతా దని బద బమ 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 తరిగిడికి దిందత తుమ్ తరిగిడికి దిందత మరి మబని దరి దరి దని దద తరిగిడికి దిందత ని పమ పగ తత దిన్ తతుమ్ సమరి మక తత దిన్ తతుమ్ మరి తతుమ్ మబ తతుమ్ తద తతుమ్ మరి తతుమ్ మరి మబని దరి దరి దని దద తిత్త గదిన తంగ దిత్త గదిన తంగ జగదిన తంగ దింగిన దద దింగిన దద దిన తద జయం జగన్నాం సజీతా దిత్త దిం దత్త ద దిత్త దిత్త దిం దత్త దిం దింత దిత్త దిం దత్త ద దిత్త దిత్త దగ తదిత్త ద దింత దిత్త దగ తదిత్త ద దింత దిత్త దగ దత్త దిం దత్త దత్త దిం దత్త ద
The second item presented today is a Tamil composition of the poet Arunachala Kavirayar called Yaro Endre Ennamale.
தக்கிட்ட 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 தருகிடுத்தோம் தருகிடுத்தோம் தருகிடு.
யாரோ என்று நாமலை நாளும் யாரோ என்று நாமலை நாளும் யாரோ என்று நாமலை நாளும் ஜீவன் 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 அதிசயங்களை சொல்ல கேளும் இவனை யாரோ என்று நாமலை நாளும் இவன் அதிசயங்களை சொல்ல கேளும் இவனை யாரோ என்று நாமலை நாளும் இவன் அதிசயங்களை சொல்ல கேளும் இவனை யாரோ என்று நாமலை நாளும்.
தித்தாங்கிறதுக்கு தருகிடுதுக்கு தோம் தத்தோம் தித்தாங்கிறதுக்கு தருகிடுதுக்கு தோம் தத்தோம் தித்தாங்கிறதுக்கு தருகிடுதுக்கு தோம் தத்தோம் தத்த ததி ததி கிண்ணத்தோம் தத்த ததி ததி கிண்ணத்தோம் தத்த ததி ததி கிண்ணத்தோம் தக்க திக்கு ததி கிண்ணத்தோம் தக்க திக்கு ததி கிண்ணத்தோம்.
சூராதி சூரன் ராமனும் பேரன் சூராதி சூரன் ராமனும் பேரன் சூராதி சூரன் ராமனும் பேரன் சூராதி சூரன் ராமனும் பேரன் சூராதி சூரன் ரகுராமனும் பேரன் சூராதி சூரன் ரகுராமனும் பேரன் சுகுணதேரன் ரவி குலகுமாரன் சுகுணதேரன் ரவி குலகுமாரன் சூராதி சூரன் ரகுராமனும் பேரன் சுகுணதேரன் ரவி குலகுமாரன் இவனை யாரோ என்று நாமலை நாளும் இவன் அதிசயங்களை சொல்ல கேளும் இவனை யாரோ என்று நாமலை.
தத்தித் தக்கிட்ட ஜம் தஜம் தன்னாம் தத்தோம் ததீம் தக்கதிக்கு கிடுதுக்கு தருகிடுத்தோம் தத்தித் தக்கிட்ட ஜம் தஜம் ததோம் ததீம் தனாம் தக்கதிக்கு கிடுதுக்கு தருகிடுத்தோம் தா தன்னம் தன்ன ஜே குக்கினம் கிண்ண தஜம் தரம் கெட்ட தக்கதிக்கு தத்திகின் தா தன்னம் தன்ன ஜே குக்கினம் கிண்ண தஜம் தரும் கெட்ட தக்கதிக்கு தத்திகின் தா தன்னம் தன்ன ஜே குக்கினம் கிண் தஜம் தரும் கெட்ட தக்கதிக்கு தத்திகின் தக்கதிக்கு கிடுதுக்கு தருகிடுத்தோம் தக்கதிக்கு கிடுதுக்கு தருகிடுத்தோம் தக்கதிக்கு கிடுதுக்கு தருகிடுதோம்.
துரத்தும் சாபம் அகல்யைக்கு காளினாலே துடைத்தானே அவள் உடல் மாசை 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 துரத்தும் சாபம் அகல்யைக்கு காளினாலே துடைத்தானே அவள் உடல் மா பெருக்கும் என்ன இவன் பிறக்கவே உலகெங்கும் பிறந்ததே மங்கள பூஜை பெருக்கும் என்ன இவன் பிறக்கவே உலகெங்கும் பிறந்ததே மங்கள பூஜை பருத்தவர் இவன் கைகே போதுமோ போதாதோ பார்க்க வேணும் என்றோரால் ஆசை உங்கள் பருத்தவர் இவன் கைகே போதுமோ போதாதோ பார்க்க வேணும் என்றோரால் ஆசை இங்கே வர சொன்னாலும் வர கிடைக்குமோ வலுவெல்ல வந்தானே நீங்கள் செய்த பூஜை இங்கே வர சொன்னாலும் வர கிடைக்குமோ வலுவெல்ல வந்தானே நீங்கள் செய்த பூஜை இவனை யாரோ என்றெல்லாமலை நாளும் இவன் அதிசயங்களை சொல்ல கேளும் இவனை யாரோ என்றாமலை நாளும்
What have we got in store next, Rini?
So we had the seniors before, and I think they've come back. They want to perform again. This time for a group dance. Big round of applause for our seniors again.
ये डांस जो कर रहे हैं ये नया दौर मूवी का गाना है, लेकिन ये हमारे सेवन हिल्स का वो भी एक दौर था, ये हमारे सेवन हिल्स का पुराने ज़माने का नया दौर है।
सबसे पहले हम सब सीनियर्स को सीनियर्स डे की बहुत बहुत मुबारकां देते हैं। उससे बाद में हम एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बात है जो आज कहनी चाहेंगे, वो है श्वेता जी के बारे में। हम यहाँ पर हर साल आते हैं, आपको कुछ ना कुछ हम दिखाते हैं। वो किसकी मेहनत है? श्वेता की। श्वेता बहुत कड़ी मेहनत करती है और हमारी इस बूढ़ी हड्डियों में ऐसा रंग और जोश भरा है। श्वेता जी के लिए ताड़ियाँ। ऐसा रंग और जोश भरा है जिससे हम अपना कर्तव्य आपको दिखाएंगे। वो जो जोश है और प्यार है वो विद लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट से भरा है। आप देखते रहिएगा हमारा प्रोग्राम। अब हम 1.5 लाइन आपको श्वेता जी के लिए गा के सुनाएंगे। हो हम सीनियर्स को दिखा देंगे ओए श्वेता की मेहनत पर हम खून बहा देंगे ओ श्वेता की मेहनत पर हम पसीना बहा देंगे। श्वेता की मेहनत पर थैंक यू। श्वेता जी के लिए द्वार ताड़ियाँ।
जब ऐसे चिकने चेहरे हो, जब ऐसे चिकने चेहरे तो कैसे ना नजर फिसले, तो कैसे ना नजर फिसले जिंद मेरी ये। कभी डाल इधर भी फेरा, ओ कभी डाल इधर भी फेरा, के तक तक नैन थक गए, के तक तक नैन थक गए जिंद मेरी ये।
जहाँ मेरा यार बसता, कि जहाँ मेरा यार बसता जिंद मेरी।
पानी लेने के बहाने आजा, ओ पानी लेने के बहाने आजा, के तेरा मेरा एक रास्ता, के तेरा मेरा एक रास्ता जिंद मेरी ये। चांद के बहाने देखूं, ओ तुझे चांद के बहाने देखूं, ओ तुझे चांद के बहाने देखूं, ओ तुझे चांद के बहाने देखूं। तू छत पर आजा गोरिये, तू छत पर आजा गोरिये जिंद मेरी ये।
अभी छेड़ेंगे गली के सब लड़के, ओ अभी छेड़ेंगे गली के सब लड़के, के चांद मेरे छिप जाने दे, के चांद मेरे छिप जाने दे जिंद मेरी ये।
नागन जैसी, ओ तेरी चाल है नागन जैसी, ओ तेरी चाल है नागन जैसी, ओ तेरी चाल है नागन जैसी। रिजोगी तुझे ले जाएंगे, रिजोगी तुझे ले जाएंगे जिंद मेरी ये।
जाए कहीं भी मगर हम सजना, हो जाए कहीं भी मगर हम सजना, ये दिल तुझे दे जाएंगे, ये दिल तुझे दे जाएंगे जिंद मेरी ये।
We'd now like to invite Mr. Vish Vishwanathan.
He's our secretary of Sri Om Foundation. Just be saying a few words.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and all the seniors and all the VIPs here. I just want to say that because of the and good news is because of the popularity of this last song, what you saw, I requested them to do once more the item from 7Ls group. Please give them a very big hand. We all enjoyed. And as you're aware that Sri Om Care has been established for the last couple of years, and there's no need to introduce our group. But what we are looking for is your continued support, and we need more volunteers because we want to serve the community better and bigger. So I don't want to say a lot in terms of what we are today, but what we want to achieve is ultimately we would like to have a nursing home. That's our ultimate goal. So with your cooperation, we will achieve that. I would like to now request Honorable Barbara Perry, the New South Wales Member for Parliament from Auburn. And can I request, she's been a great friend of the Indian community when she was in the government, as well as even when she is not in the government, she's been always supporter of us, and specifically for our group, Sri Om K. Now, can I request Honorable Barbara Perry?
Well, how do I beat that performance that we just had? You know, Seniors Week, that we're celebrating, is all about living life, and that's the theme. And didn't we see our seniors live life? Firstly, I'd like to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land and pay my respect to the Aboriginal people, the elders both past and present. And Swami, it's a tribute to you and Sri Om that we have this fantastic the performance, the life, the vibrancy, the colour. Thank you for you and Jay and the Sri Om committee putting this on today. It takes a lot of effort and we're all enjoying it. Thank you very much. I've known Jay Rahman for a long time, as I have known Bala Balendra and many people in the community that I sit here and see before me today. Emily down there, it's wonderful to see the wider community, not just the subcontinent community, enjoying the performances we're seeing here today. We're all enriched and we're all uplifted by it, including myself. Thank you. We've got Lee Lam here today, who is wonderful in coming to lots of community events and community organisations, and she's representing the council today. And I'm assured that the council has supported this event today by virtue of the fact that we're here in the Auburn Town Hall. So thank you, Lee. We can see the work that Sri Om does. They're well known in our community, particularly in our local community. And I think that it's the evidence of the work that's been done by Sri Om is here today. And to see people happy and excited is wonderful. But I do want to make a few comments that are serious comments. You know, we often hear about the numbers when we talk about ageing in New South Wales. We hear facts like percentages of the population over 65, and that percentage is going to rise to 20% in 2036. But can I say this to you? Often those numbers are repeated with negative phrases and this idea of crisis. We hear about increased demand on governments. Can I give you an example of last Wednesday from the Australian Financial Review? And there was an article there, and it described ageing in these terms. Can I say this? Listen carefully to what it said. It said, "We know there is a tsunami of aged care requirements coming upon us." It's not very positive language, is it? Tsunami of aged care coming upon us. We who are gathered here today, we know it's more about just numbers. We know ageing is more than just about numbers. And we know that the word ageing does not have to stand alongside negative words like the word tsunami. After all, what are we doing here today? We're celebrating seniors and we're celebrating life. So we know there's a lot to celebrate, and we know that senior Australians, you have much more to offer, and we know that you have much to teach us. We know that you are the bedrock for many in our communities, that you add so much through your capacity as volunteers, through your services in helping your families, through childminding, through your interest and your involvement in cultural activities. And we owe you so much for the wisdom that you impart to us. I can't believe how many older Australians volunteer. I know many of you sitting here volunteer in local community groups. But if we had to add up all the volunteers and the volunteer work hours, there is no way that any government in this country could match that or pay for that. So we have a lot as young Australians, as younger Australians, to thank you for. And as families, we have a lot to thank you for. So can I just say that we're celebrating everything. We're celebrating everything that you've given us, your contributions to our community, and the contributions not only in the past, but the contributions that you're still making today. So thank you to everyone for organising this wonderful event. I can say to you, as a member of a former government and now in opposition, that I don't view seniors as a tsunami coming to get us. I view seniors in a positive way. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable. Please give her a very big hand. She's been a great supporter, and when she was the minister and in the parliament, I had occasions to meet with her in the New South Wales Parliament, and since then she has been great friend of Sri Om Care and the Indian community for some of the senior activities. Once again, please put your hands together for her. Can I now request Honorable Mrs. Lee Lam, ex-mayor and councillor of Auburn Council. As you are probably aware, that Mrs. Lee Lam, when she was the mayor of the Auburn, she has been greatly supporting and she has been instrumental for us to have all our events here. Please give a big hand to Mrs. Lee Lam.
Thank you. What a wonderful performances that our senior have showcased their talents earlier. I'd like to invite you once again, give them a big round of applause. Thank you. I also acknowledge the traditional owner of this land, the direct people from the past and present, and continue the custodian of this land. And also like to thank our Triumphs Foundation had given me the opportunity to be able to share with you today. And I also acknowledged the Honorable Barbara Perry, the member of Auburn, and our very long friends, former Councillor Mr. Bala Balandra, and many distinguished guests and leaders of the community, and particular the elderly today. We are celebrate the senior weeks. That's your week, which is for the last 2 weeks. I have many opportunities to witness such a wonderful showcase that Auburn City Council have the privilege to have so many different ethnic community have showcased their talents and have brings a vast many thousands years of cultural history to showcase in our Auburn. Particularly, we have around 65 different ethnic community reside in this area. That's why our council motto, many culture, one community, and we are very privileged to see in our own backyard many fantastic this kind of showcase. And the one thing that I have seen, the Triumph Foundation have prepared so many different activities, which is I did have a chance to see, to plans for the elderly and make sure their well-being and how to adopt into the environment. And also with the younger generation who are very privileged to be born in Australia, and many things that they took for granted, and without of your help, and without the guidance, and without the experiences that you have passed to these younger generations, we have lost too much. That's why I appreciate the opportunity to be here to share with you and to learn and also to enjoy the wonderful things that you have put in today for allowing us to appreciate. So I appreciate once again, and I wish all of you have a wonderful senior weeks and enjoy your wonderful, healthy life. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. We are definitely inspired by your kind words, and we look forward to your kind support in future as well. And now I think the performances are going to be beginning again, and we'll be continuing our VIP session because we have a number of community leaders who have come, and also some more VIPs might turn up, and I will hand over to Nitya.
Thank you very much, Mr. Vishwanathan. What have we got next, Srini?
What do we have next? Well, we seem to lack a lot of something these days. Well, at least some of our younger generation, not so much the seniors. What is that?
Exercise?
Yeah, I think I could use some of that right now. So, just to get started on a bit of an exercise, we've got Annie Alchin. She'll be performing some Mediterranean exercise. A good 15-minute performance about exercising and why we should all probably join in, do this every day. Big round of applause for Annie, please.
Thank you very much for inviting me here today. I am mostly familiar with the people of Chester Hill, so I'm going to ask you all to get up and find a space wherever you can. We're going to do some gentle exercise, get some oxygen into your body, and help your overall health and well-being improve. So I'm ready when you are. Good. Bring it in. Out.
The secret is supreme indeed.
Down.
All
Good.
creatures have their
Right hand
weakness.
forward.
The
In.
secret is supreme
Out.
indeed.
And in.
All creatures have their
And up.
weakness.
Down again. And out. Left hand. In. Out. And in. Up. And down. And around. Both hands forward. And in. Out. In. Up. Down. And out. Okay, now we're going to move. We get a sway happening. Sway. Good. Ready. Now we're going to move the feet. In the step touch, we go step and touch, step and touch, step and touch, step and touch. 4 more, 3 more, 2 more. Now we'll add the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. Good. You've been sitting for a while. This will loosen it all up. Good. Right hand out, out, and in, out, and in, up, and in, down, low, in. If only you could see how beautiful you look. Ava. Good. Step touch. Step touch. We're going to speed it up a little. Little steps. Do the hand. Ready?
Creatures have their weakness.
Forward, in and around. Forward and in. Out and in. Up and out. Big breath. And out.
This group dance is to be performed by the students of Meenakshi's dance group. Who are the performers, Srini?
So our performers for this event is Riddhi Kapila, Shalini Seshan, Sanjana Kulkarni, Ashish Sukhra, Arya Reddy, and Meghna Khatri. Big round of applause.
ऐसे चिकने चेहरे हो, जब ऐसे चिकने चेहरे तो कैसे न नजर फिसले, तो कैसे न नजर फिसले जिंद मेरी ये। कभी डाल इधर भी फेरा, और कभी डाल इधर भी फेरा, के तक तक नैन थक गए, के तक तक नैन थक गए जिंद मेरी ये।
Much ado, I would like to request Honorable Swamiji to come and address us. He has been a great source of inspiration, and behind this whole project, please give him a big hand to Swamiji.
See our Swamiji, Sri Adishaktendra Swamigal. He started this Shivam Care because based on humanity leads the divinity. I'll give you the one small incident. Our ashram children, we have plenty of children. They came and asked our Swamiji, Swamiji, you are seeing God, you know God very well. Can you show me the God? Then our Swamiji said, yeah, easy, come on, sit. Everyone was sitting, the children's. Close your nose very tightly. Close your mouth also very tightly. Sit like that. Then they tried to sit 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Then they couldn't. Then they take the big breath. They open the nose and mouth. Swamiji, I couldn't. Why? I couldn't breathe. What breathe means? The hair. No hair. Can you show the hair? Then children said, no, how can I show? Hair is everywhere. The God is everywhere, the same way. That is what? You can feel God. So God is everywhere. That means God is there in each and every soul. That is our Hindu Dharma says. God is everywhere. So according to that, if you want to realize the God, if you want to see God, you have to do the service only. Because Manushya Seva is equal to the God Seva. Whatever you do, the humanity services go to the God only. Because God is everywhere. So that is the basic thing. Our Swamijis always teach us the service. Religious is a secondary. Don't think why this monk is saying like that. That is the truth. I am saying the truth because our Swamiji teaching only truth. So please everyone, who can help for the service, please help us, as well as give the big hands for Shivam Care. Shivam.
We also want to recognize the kind presence of so many community leaders here. We have Mr. Bala Balandran from Auburn, Dr. Yadu Singh, President of the Council of Indian Associations, Mr. Stanley D. Cruz, Secretary of the CIA, Mr. Raj Datta, and other community members who are here. Mr. Bipin Verma is also here. I want to say this, that how we are getting support from the government. We approach through the community cabinet meeting, Mr. Andrew Constance, the Minister for Aging and Disabilities, to present the needs of the Indian community, Indian subcontinental community, because our needs are very culturally specific. We have our, food, we have, different environment for the Indians and the Indian subcontinental people. All that has to be taken into account when we have the needs, not only for the active seniors like you, but at some stage, there are going to be people who are going to be inactive, and then maybe in the nursing homes. So the Honorable Minister has extended full support to the Sri Home Care initiatives, and he has passed on his message to this group, to this celebration, and we want to acknowledge the support from the Honorable Minister. Yeah. We also want to recognize the kind support which we have been receiving from the Hindu Council of Australia and also Seva International, and we have a large support from the Indian community as well. So without much ado, I would like to hand over to Srini and Nitya to conduct the rest of the proceedings.
Thank you very much for that, Mr. Vishwanathan. So it's time for a bit of a change right now. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty hungry. What about you guys?
I can see some of them already made their way there. So it's time to announce lunch, 15 minutes. We'll be back in our seats, ready for some more performances. நேற்றையில்லாத மாற்றம் என்னது என்பதா இளமை பொங்கி விட்டதா இதயம் சிந்தி விட்டதா சொல்வனவே இல்லாத மாற்றம் என்னது காற்றையின் காதிலேதோ சொன்னது இதுதான் காதல் என்பதா இளமை பொங்கி விட்டதா இதயம் சிந்தி விட்டதா சொல்வனவே Thank you.
Chammak Chalo from the new Hindi movie Ra One, students of Meenakshi's dance group. The performers are Kushi Gupta, Safia, Isha Singh, Riddhi Kapila, Shalini Seshan, Meghna Khatri, Sankana Kulkarni, Arya Reddy, and Ashi Sukra.
Girl, you're my chamakachalo. Where you go, girl, I'm gonna follow. What you want, girl, just let me know. You could be my chamakachalo.
our next performance from our seniors is from Seven Hills Center. It's Mr. Harbans Singh, uncle. After that, we have a performance from Gurudev Singh ji.
चांद सी महबूबा हो मेरी कब ऐसा मैंने सोचा था हाँ तुम भी बिल्कुल जैसी हो जैसा मैंने सोचा था चांद सी महबूबा हो मेरी कब ऐसा मैंने सोचा था हाँ तुम भी बिल्कुल जैसी हो जैसा मैंने सोचा था ना कस में है ना रस में है ना शिकवे हैं ना वादे हैं एक सूरत भोली भाली है दो नैना सीधे सादे हैं ना शिकवे हैं ना वादे हैं एक सूरत भोली भाली है दो नैना सीधे सादे हैं ऐसा ही रूप ख्यालों में था जैसा मैंने सोचा था हाँ तुम भी बिल्कुल जैसी हो जैसा मैंने सोचा था मेरी खुशियाँ ही ना बांटे मेरे गम भी सहना चाहे देखो ना ख्वाब महलों के मेरे दिल में रहना चाहे इस दुनिया में कौन है ऐसा जैसा मैंने सोचा था हाँ तुम भी बिल्कुल जैसी हो जैसा मैंने सोचा था चांद सी महबूबा हो मेरी कब ऐसा मैंने सोचा था हाँ तुम भी बिल्कुल जैसी हो जैसा मैंने सोचा था थैंक यू
आवारा हूँ या गर्दिश में हूँ आसमान का तारा हूँ आवारा हूँ या गर्दिश में हूँ आसमान का तारा हूँ आवारा हूँ घर बार नहीं संसार नहीं मुझसे किसी को प्यार नहीं मुझसे किसी को प्यार नहीं उस पार किसी से मिलने का इकरार नहीं मुझसे किसी को प्यार नहीं मुझसे किसी को प्यार नहीं सुनसान नगर अनजान डगर का प्यारा हूँ आवारा हूँ या गर्दिश में हूँ आसमान का तारा हूँ आवारा हूँ आबाद नहीं बर्बाद सही गाता हूँ खुशी के गीत मगर गाता हूँ खुशी के गीत मगर जख्मों से भरा सीना है मेरा हंसती है मगर ये मस्त नज़र हंसती है मगर ये मस्त नज़र दुनिया में तेरे तीर का या तकदीर का मारा हूँ आवारा हूँ या गर्दिश में हूँ आसमान का तारा हूँ आवारा हूँ थैंक यू
Thank you very much for that. That was a lovely performance. Now we'd like to call upon Mr. Prem Sharma and also our Guru Sri Om Jnana Shakti Swamigal to distribute the certificates.
So these certificates are for our outstanding performances in our senior centre. I'm sure Mr. Prem Sharma will be letting us know a little bit more about them.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. So far this morning, you've been hearing words, words, and words from our parliamentarians, from our councillors, and everybody else about the seniors. I'm in the process of putting pen to paper. This is a very special occasion. Maybe for Shiriom, it's a first off. We do a lot of exercises and things to keep fit. So we've decided to give few awards, healthy lifestyle awards. So I'd call on Swamiji, His Eminence, to present a few certificates. I know we can't give it to all of us, but I've got few, the starters. The first certificate is from Shri Om Group Seniors Week 2012 to, it's a Healthy Lifestyle Bronze Award. Unfortunately, the lady, the recipient is not here, Olin Singh of Chester Hill, for her commitment and participation in yoga and related exercises. So we'll miss that. The next award comes to Healthy Lifestyle Silver Award, goes to Ram Shankar and Shri Manti Shankar for their commitment and participation in yoga and related exercises. The next award is Healthy Lifestyle Gold Award. It goes to Amarjit Singh and Inderjeet Kaur in recognition of their commitment and participation in yoga and related exercises from the Seven Hills Center. So those were the three certificates. This is a special occasion for the seniors of Shri Om, because the first time we've given them the healthy lifestyle and recognized what we've been doing for the last few years. The next two are sort of, let's in inverted commas call it recycled. They were given out at last year's Experts Awards, but unfortunately these people are not here, so we're presenting them now. For certificate of participation goes to Vimla and R.P. Verma for the participation and contribution to the seniors team. And the final award, Seven Hills Group, we have heaps of great singers. So Mahendra Kapoor Award, this is a humorous award. Mahendra Kapoor Award goes to Mr. M.P. Singh. क्या बात है, ना जाने ये तीर चला रहे हैं या तलवार. Okay, I'd like to thank His Eminence Swamiji for helping us present these awards, and thanks to everyone for your support. Hopefully, there'll be more to come in years to come. And before I go, I've got a little joke for you. I'm from Fiji, so those people from Fiji, those who are from Fiji will understand better. A Fijian man dies, and he goes to hell. And he finds out soon that there is a different hell for each country. So he passes by the German hell and asks them, what are they doing here? What do they do here? Or they say, they put them on an electric chair for an hour, then on a bed of nails for another hour, and the rest of the day, a German devil comes and whips the person whole day. So then he passes through the American, Russian, and Australian hell, and basically same things happen. When he goes to the Fijian Hell, in Fijian Hell, he asks them, what do they do here? And he sees a huge crowd waiting to get in. Or they have 1 hour on the electric chair, 1 hour on the bed of nails, and the Fijian devil whips them the rest of the day. So he asked, but why such a crowd, all they wanting to get in? Oh, because, maintenance in Fiji is very bad. The electric chair doesn't work. All the nails from the bed has been stolen. And the Fijian devil is an ex-government employee who comes in late every day, signs the register, and goes for coffee break. So that's why everybody wants to get in. Thank you. And before I go, finally, thanks to the back room faces of Shri Om. They're doing a wonderful job here. And thanks, everyone, caterers and all. Thank you.
Thank you, Uncle, for these awards. It's lovely. Next, we have a group dance performance from Seven Hills Center. They're performing a Punjabi Gidda, Punjabi folk dance.
वे ऐरी गैरी नाल विआह नहीं कर दे
Aria
हाँ जी, हेलो। आज अभी आप प्लीज़ बातें नहीं करिएगा, ध्यान से सुनिएगा। ये पोएम है अबाउट 3 स्टेजेस ऑफ लाइफ: चाइल्डहुड, जवानी और बुढ़ापा। ये मैंने अलग अलग 3 लिखी थी, पर मैंने अभी तीनों को मिला के, आपको इंडिया की आइसक्रीम याद है, कसाटा की क्वालिटी की 3 in 1, मैंने वो बना दी है। आप वो सुनिए। समय की तीव्र धारा के संग संग अपनी जीवन नैया बहती जाए, भाग्य विधाता कहलाने वाला मानव भी इसको थाम न पाए। कितने अच्छे दिन थे बचपन के, जब प्यार की गंगा बहती थी। माँ जब गोद में लेकर मुझको मेरी गुड़िया बिटिया रानी कहती थी। कितने मीठे सुर थे उस लोरी के, जो माँ गाकर मुझे सुलाती थी। स्वादिष्ट अच्छे पाक बनाकर हाथ से मुझे खिलाती थी। नानी की आंख का तारा थी मैं, कहानी परियों की मुझे सुनाती थी। हर बुरी नज़र से बच जाऊं, दादी काजल का टीका मुझे लगाती थी। रेत की भांति मुट्ठी से जाने कब और कैसे बचपन मेरा फिसल गया। फिर मीठी सी एक दस्तक देकर शने शने था यौवन ने प्रवेश किया। हाँ जी, अब दूसरी स्टेज आ गई। बचपन के बाद यौवन आता है और इसका दूसरा नाम जवानी है। खुशी खुशी से सब गाते हैं, बुढ़ापा बड़ा लानती, जवानी बड़ी मस्तानी है। हम ज़मीं पे नहीं हवा में उड़ते हैं, आसमान में हवाई किले बनाते हैं। हमारे गले में सुर नहीं, सोज नहीं, पर ऊंचे ऊंचे प्रेम गीत गाते हैं। आंखों में एक विशेष चमक होती है, काश अधिक सबज दिखाई देती है। लड़की गोरी हो या काली हो, पर स्वर्ग की अप्सरा दिखाई देती है। ये हमारे जीवन का स्वर्ण युग है, जो दोबारा कभी वापस नहीं आता है। चाहे लाख मनौतियाँ मान लो, सदा के लिए टिक नहीं पाता है। और पलक झपकते झपकते एक ही क्षण में बीत जाता है। फिर एक दिन बिन बुलाए मेहमान की तरह अचानक बुढ़ापा हमारा दरवाज़ा खटखटाता है और अपना जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार मानकर सदा के लिए हमारे संग ही बस जाता है। इसके चंगुल से छूटने के लिए हम भी हजारों तरह के पापड़ बेलते हैं। कई प्रकार से अपना कायाकल्प कर इसके संग आंख मिर्चौनी खेलते हैं। इसको आंखें दिखाकर डराने के लिए नेत्रों में नए लेंस लगवा के आते हैं। इसे धमकाकर भगवाने के लिए नई मजबूत लाठियां फिट करवाते हैं। और तो और इसे काट खाने के लिए नए और पक्के दांत भी लगवाते हैं। अकेलापन हमें तीर की तरह चुभता है। हम बाज़ार से एक बज्जी खरीद लाते हैं। प्रातः गुड मॉर्निंग और रात गुड नाइट इसी को कहकर खुश हो जाते हैं। संसार में केवल एक यही मेहमान जाते समय सर्वस्व लूट के ले जाता है और मुस्कुराता हुआ सबके बीच में से हंसता हुआ निकल जाता है और सबके सामने हमको संग लेकर मुस्कुराता हुआ खिसक जाता है। And thank you for the patience, क्योंकि it was very long. It was a mixture of 3 poems.
Next, we have one of our own youth group members performing again. Who is that again?
So we heard this young gentleman sing before. He's going to come again and give us another wonderful performance. Big hands together for Mr. Anish Naratu.
He will be singing the song Hai Apna Dil To Awara.
ना दिल तो आवारा न जाने किस पे आएगा, है अपना दिल तो आवारा न जाने किस पे आएगा। हसीनों ने बुलाया गले से भी लगाया, बहुत समझाया यही न समझा। हसीनों ने बुलाया गले से भी लगाया, बहुत समझाया यही न समझा। बहुत बोला है बेचारा न जाने किस पे आएगा, है अपना दिल तो आवारा न जाने किस पे आएगा। अजब है दीवाना न डर न ठिकाना, जमी से बेगाना फलक से जुदा। अजब है दीवाना न डर न ठिकाना, जमी से बेगाना फलक से जुदा। ये एक टूटा हुआ तारा न जाने किस पे आएगा, है अपना दिल तो आवारा न जाने किस पे आएगा।
By the way, I'm representing the Filipino community under APCO.
Only love can make a memory. Only love can make the moment last. You were there, and all the world was young, and all its songs and sounds. And I remember you then, when love was all you were living for, and how you gave that love to me. Only then I knew my heart was free. I was a part of you, and you were all of me. One were the days and the night of those years, painted with colors to outshines the sun. All of the world and the night of those years live in my remembrance. Only love can make a memory. Only love can make the moment last. Life is new, there is a race to live. Each day a page to live. And I remember you then, when love was all you were living for, and how you gave that love to me. Only then I knew my heart was free. I was a part of you, and you were all of me. One were the days and the night of those years, painted with colors to outshines the sun. All of the world and the night of those years live in my remembrance. Only love can make a memory. Only love can make the moment last. Life was new, there is a race to live. It's day a page to live. And I remember you then, when love was all you were living for, and how you gave that love to me. Only then I knew my heart was free. I was a part of you, and you were all of me.
Thank you. Thank you very much for inviting me.
यारों का चलन है गुलामी, देते हैं हसीनों को सलामी। यारों का चलन है गुलामी, देते हैं हसीनों को सलामी। गुस्सा न कीजिए, जाने भी दीजिए, क्या मेरा साथ भी गवारा नहीं। चलिए तन के
थैंक यू अंकल।
जागो रे जागो, दौलत के दीवानों जागो। जागो रे जागो, दौलत के दीवानों जागो। दौलत लड़का दे सकती है, पर पुत्र दिलाना मुश्किल है। दौलत लड़का दे सकती है, पर पुत्र दिलाना मुश्किल है। दौलत नौकर दे सकती है, पर सेवक पाना मुश्किल है। जागो रे जागो, दौलत के दीवानों जागो। दौलत नौकर दे सकती है, पर सेवक पाना मुश्किल है। दौलत नौकर दे सकती है, पर सेवक देना मुश्किल है। दौलत औरत दे सकती है, पर पत्नी नहीं दिला सकती।
Come on, everybody. Everyone who wants to dance, come here. We're going to put music and हम सब नाचेंगे.
बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो, कि देखने की चीज है हमारा दिल रुबा। टाले हो, टाले हो, टाले हो। ओ बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो, कि देखने की चीज है हमारा दिल रुबा। टाले हो, टाले हो, टाले हो। होंगे दिलदार यहाँ, लाखों दिलों की बहार यहाँ।
अरे भंग का रंग जमा हो चकाचक, फिर लो पान चबाए। आहा, अरे ऐसा झटका लगे जिया पे, पुनर्जन्म हो जाए। ओ खई के पान बनारस वाला, ओ खई के पान बनारस वाला, खुल जाए बंद अकल का ताला। ओ खई के पान बनारस वाला, खुल जाए बंद अकल का ताला। फिर तो ऐसा करे धमाल, सीधी कर दे सबकी चाल। ओ छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला, ओ छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला।